Good evening, everyone. So, as promised, I am here to show you one of the challenges that we're going to do with the eating challenge of week 1 of our family choice challenge. And I've decided to let my husband join. My husband Evert is the brave one to do the taste test challenge. So I'm going to blindfold him. And the challenge we've chosen for tonight is then take different foods, healthy foods from the pantry, and then he's got to taste and guess what it is. So let's see how we do. Right. Kan jy dit sien? Jy jok.
Kan nie.
Gotcha.
Ek hoop nie daar's chili nie.
Ek gaan niks snaaks doen nie. Kan jy niks sien nie, né? Beloof?
Beloof.
Right, let's go. So, unveil. I don't know if you can sort of see. Right, first one. What is that?
Easy. Cheese.
What cheese?
Cheddar cheese.
Okay, well done. Right. Oeh, hier is jou gunsteling. Is jy klaar?
Tomato.
He's not a fan. Okay, but you're doing good. At least you know your healthy foods. Is jy reg?
Cucumber.
Okay, good. Ons vat so enetjie.
What's so hard?
Come on. Good.
Carrot.
Okay, mooi. Okay, last one. It's at least, what is it?
What?
It's at least gluten free, so it's not healthy.
It's flour.
Yes, it's bad. Gluten free, so it's still healthy. Okay, so that was our taste test challenge. I hope you're all enjoying it as much as I did now. Feel free to share your videos and your experiences. Share photos, share videos, let us know how it's going with your challenge this week. And keep following. I'll keep on posting resources and other material to support you through it. Enjoy the evening.
Bye.